And for this installation, I use number 8 wire, and the ampacity of number 8 wire is 55 amps, but my breaker is 40 amps. This would be plenty for this installation right here for the Tesla wall charger. Okay, I have my leads installed right here. 1 line, 2 line, 120 plus 120 equals 240. Well, 241, but that's what the voltmeter is meeting. We're using Commonwealth Edison. I live in the city of Chicago. Good, clean nuclear energy. We have good voltage, and I know for sure we'll have good amps. All right. This piece of cake. We just take this wall charger unit right here, Tesla. Bam, look at that. Plug it right in over here. Then we'll take these screws. We screw this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, now it's mounted. Let's try the cable. There it is, piece of cake. The end actually will go right in here, but that'd be another time, another video. Okay, you already saw how we connected up the charger and so on and so forth. Now to open up the charge port on the Tesla Model S, all you do is just press this button right here for the charger. Press it, and let's open up the charge door. Take this, put it inside like that. It locks it. And then, since I had this set up to charge at 10 o'clock, I'm just going to start it manually and start charging right here. And right now, it's charging. You'll see the green light. That means it's charging right now. It's a beautiful thing. To stop charging, I just hit this app right here. Stop charging. Press the button right here to release the charging cord, and it automatically closes. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla Model S and charger. Bob G reporting live, Chicago.